Multimeters are foundational tools for electronics hobbyists, automotive technicians, and professional electricians alike. The right meter can mean the difference between a quick diagnostic and a risky misread. This comparison centers on 5 widely available models, spanning a price range from entry-level to premium, with a focus on core measurement accuracy.
List number 1. Klein Tools MM325 Multimeter. This entry duplicates the MM325 as a separate assessment because it is listed as Product 1 in the provided data. The MM325 is included here for completeness in the comparison grid, emphasizing manual ranging operation with solid Klein safety standards and a strong feature set for a budget-friendly tool. As previously described, the MM325 offers reliable core measurements with LED alert indicators and a backlit display, making it a strong option for electricians and DIY enthusiasts who value tactile control and a proven Klein build at a reasonable price.
List number 2. Astro AI Digital Multimeter Tester 2000 counts with DC-AC voltmeter. This Astro AI model mirrors the blue version in specifications and purpose, but comes in a black housing. It measures AC-DC voltage, DC current, resistance, and diode checks, with an emphasis on affordability, safety with a silicone cover, and clear indications for low battery. It advertises compatibility with automotive and household diagnostics, including battery testing scenarios, fuses, and charging systems. It's designed for DIYers who need a practical tool for frequent, non-specialist use. Performance-wise, the black Astro AI meter offers dependable measurements for everyday tasks with a user-friendly experience that suits homeowners and hobbyists. The data hold and auto shutoff features streamline workflow, while the backlit display ensures readability in dim garages or attics. Limitations include potential inaccuracies under high-frequency or noisy conditions and a lack of AC current measurement, which can be a constraint for certain automotive circuits.
List number 3. Astro AI Digital Multimeter Tester 20,000 counts with DC-AC voltmeter. The Astro AI 2000 count blue model is a budget-friendly, feature-rich meter intended for general electronics work and basic automotive troubleshooting. It provides AC-DC voltage, DC current, resistance, and diode checks with a 2-second sampling rate and a 1999 count display. It includes a backlit LCD, data hold, auto shutoff, and a continuity buzzer, along with a protective silicone sleeve and double fuse protection for overcurrent events. The meter emphasizes accessibility and safety, making it a practical option for DIYers who need a capable tool without breaking the bank. In use, the Astro AI Blue model demonstrates solid everyday performance, particularly for household and hobbyist projects. The backlit display and data hold feature help in cramped spaces or when documenting readings. Its dual fuse protection adds a layer of safety for novice users, and the included test leads and batteries simplify immediate use. The main trade-offs are that it cannot test AC current and the 1999 count display, while readable is modest by professional standards. For casual electronics work and basic automotive checks, it delivers on value.
List number 4. Klein Tools MM420 Digital Multimeter. The Klein Tools MM420 represents the premium side of Klein's offerings, delivering auto-ranging TRMS measurements up to 600 volts AC/DC, 10 amp current, and 50 mega-ohm resistance. It adds enhanced features such as temperature, capacitance, frequency/duty cycle, and diode tests, along with LED alert indicators and a backlit display. Like the MM325, it includes back-of-unit test lead holders, a kickstand, and compatibility with magnetic hangers. This model aims to give professionals more versatile measurement capabilities in a single compact tool, suitable for electrical, HVAC, and electronics work that benefits from auto-ranging and enhanced accuracy. In practice, the MM420 shines in scenarios where speed and breadth of measurement matter. Auto-ranging eliminates range hunting, TRMS improves measurement accuracy in non-sine wave environments, and additional features like capacitance and frequency allow more complete circuit analysis.
List number 5. Crinova MS8233D Multimeter, 6000 counts digital multimeter. Experience Crinova MS8233D Multimeter 6000 counts digital multimeter DC AC voltmeter ohm volt amp tester. Measures voltage, current, resistance, capacitance, continuity, diode, duty cycle, frequency, NCV live wire test. More versatile than expected. MS8233D multimeter can accurately measure DC-AC voltage, DC-AC current, resistance, capacitance, frequency, and duty cycle, test continuity and diode, and detect live wire and NCV. User and device protection. The digital multimeter conforms to IEC 61011 Cat3 600 volt safety standard. 2 built-in fuses provide overload protection on all ranges. Insulated rubber holster prevents the user from electric shock.